Hi, Tommy Joe here, and I'm going to show you today how to roast coffee with the Whirly Pop popcorn popper. This bad boy goes for like 20 bucks online. It's a really good coffee roaster. You can roast about half pound to a pound at a time. First thing to do when you're roasting with this bad boy is open up a window because it's going to get really smoky and the roommates are going to get mad. Today we're going to be roasting beans from the Congo. You're going to need an oven mitt so you don't burn your handsies. You're going to need a thermometer. And you're going to need one of these bad boys. 2 is even better for cooling the beans. Oh, and a fan, because it's going to get smoky. So first you want to put in the thermometer, turn it on. It's got vents on the top. I just kind of pried one of the vents open a little bit more than it usually is so that the thermometer would fit. You're going to want to turn the old oven on to about medium. Medium high on a gas oven. Medium on a electric oven, which is what I have. And then you wait for it to heat up to about 400 degrees. Alright, we're at 400 degrees, so we're going to put our beansies in. This is really hot, so don't burn yourself. And as soon as you put them in, start cranking. Now, the beans are cold, so the temp's probably going to drop to like 350 degrees or so. Try to keep it above 300. Once the beans heat up, the temp in the whirly pop will go up as well. Your arms are going to get a little tired, but it's okay, it's natural. You see the smoke starting up now, you got that burnt smell, that means it's starting to roast. You can hear first crack start right now. It's a little bit of a lower tone crack, kind of sounds like popcorn popping. Second crack's going to be more of a snapping sound, but we're not getting there. Once first crack starts, you want to turn the temperature down. When first crack ends, you're going to want to wait about 15-20 seconds before you pull it. And that'll get you a nice City Plus roast, which is what we're looking for with these beans. So if you want to smell it, you'll get to know after a while what the smoke smells like when it's at your specific roast. You can also go by sight. Look at my peek in there. Looking good. Okay, first crack's over. So I'm going to pull it. You want to drop as much stuff as possible. And then you want to use these 2 bad boys here to cool it as quickly as possible. Because it's still roasting when you take it out. Because the beans are still really, really hot. And that stuff you see flying around there is the chaff. It's going to make a mess. That's alright. Your roommates don't mind. Come out on Sunday to 52 Wyckoff Street at Wyckoff and Willoughby in Bushwick if you want to taste some of these delicious little beans here. Tommy Joe out.